This is an audio description of the cartoon All Hands on Deck for the Final Conference. The cartoon is A4 sized with a title, followed by 4 half-width frames and 1 full-width frame. The colours used are the project brand colours, different blues and greys with accents of green and purple. The title is followed by cartoon images of the faces of the team members with their names underneath. Alessia, Eva, Leah, Delia, Hilary, Irina, Elodie and Assar. Frame 1 is set at Maynooth University in the open plan office. Delia, Eva and Alessia are in the picture. The text box reads, "The dates and venue of the final conference have been confirmed." Delia says, "The final conference will be held in Maynooth on 19th to 20th of June. Eva replies, "That's fantastic." Alessia responds, "And we will be in the new TSI building, which is fully accessible." Frame 2 is set in Delia's office. Delia is on the phone. The text box reads, "Delia reaches out to colleagues and collaborators to invite them to the conference." Delia says, "Hi Giuseppe, will you come to Maynooth for the final conference?" Giuseppe Martinico replies, "I would never miss it. I'm very happy to attend." Frame 3 is set in a meeting room at Maynooth University. Delia, Eva, Alessia and Elodie are present. The text box reads, "The team meets to organise travels and accommodations for speakers." Delia says, "Now that we sent out the invitations, we need to arrange the flights and accommodation for everyone." Eva responds, "I will take care of organising the travels for our guests of the first day." Alessia continues, "I will organise the logistics for the second day." And Elodie concludes, "I will arrange the accommodation for everyone." Frame 4 is set in the same meeting room. Delia, Hilary and Leah are talking about a picture that Delia is holding up. The text box reads, "An artist with disabilities has created a bespoke artwork for the project." Hilary exclaims, "We just received the artwork from Tiziano." Delia continues, "We will organise the unveiling at the final conference." Leah adds, "This artwork really embodies the ethos of the project." The 5th frame is set in the same meeting room. All the team members are present, looking at a colourful document. The text box reads, "The team meets to discuss some of the tools for change created for the project." Alessia says, "James Kelly from Phoenix Production has just completed the editing of the documentary. It will be fantastic to show it at the final conference." Eva continues, "Yes, we will also present everyone the work that Norbert Cronenberg did for us." Hilary continues, "Norbert created an interactive map, a photo book and several infographics and cartoons." Elodie concludes, holding the toolkit document. He also designed the covers for the toolkit, resource list and policy brief. Underneath the cartoon is an acknowledgement to the ERC with the logo of the EU, the ERC and the following text. This project has received funding from the European Research Council, ERC, under the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme Grant Agreement number 864182.